Hello, I'm Scott for Libitron Aerial Drone Services. In this video, we're going to look at power line inspections as performed by our company. Inspections of power lines are yet another fantastic fit for the use of today's drone capabilities. In this video, we're going to look at the full comprehensive inspection of wood power poles and the components of each of them. The Enterprise drone used in this inspection example has the ability to carry and operate a payload of 2 cameras simultaneously. It's extremely robust and able to work in conditions down to -20 Celsius, so it can work more days per year in tough climates. This inspection was comprehensive, taking RGB video, thermal video, high-level zoom, and thermal radiometric photographs. When requested, the flight coordinates and flight telemetry can also be provided. Powerline inspections with the use of drones offers great benefit over traditional manual inspections. Perhaps the most important is safety, reducing risk by performing a more comprehensive inspection of assets with 100% boots on the ground. Drone inspections, even though much more comprehensive than traditional techniques, are extremely fast. The flight you are watching took a total of 14 minutes to completely document 4 poles. We have left this video very close to real time for you to get a realistic idea of how the flow looks. Efficiency levels increase using drones. A single operator can cover much more than a crew and even go to spots that are extremely difficult to get to. Without a doubt, drone inspections provide much higher quality documentation. It would be all but impossible for a ground crew to capture the type of documentation that is easily possible with drone inspections. Further, the inspection creates permanent visual records which are easily distributed to stakeholders and to support regulatory conditions. We're describing the techniques for utility poles. Whether they're wood, steel, or concrete, the techniques will be consistent. There will be different techniques and consideration for larger and higher voltage transmission towers and power stations. The danger around a power line is electromagnetic interference. The Enterprise drones are resistant, however, great care still must be given. The pilot must always fly a safe distance from the lines and use a camera lens which provides great detail from that safe distance. The pilot flies toward the pole, keeping the lines in sight as they approach. Then the pilot stops and adjusts position. With the drone in a stationary position, the pan and tilt functions of each camera gimbal is used to examine the components from top to bottom. It's possible to capture 360 degrees of the tower from just 2 positions. As we fly or watch video, we look for problem areas, both that we can see physically or even more obvious would be a hotspot seen by the thermal camera. These could be high impedance generations caused by a component failing. On occasions when an emergency situation exists, like an outage, the drone can be deployed to assist in determining cause as well as assessment. A live feed can be provided for engineers to watch from their offices to diagnose and plan a response. If need be, additional technicians can view the same feed from their locations to participate in the diagnostics and repairs. The engineer can also communicate in real time to give direction to the drone pilot so they may see exactly what they need to see in order to achieve success quickly and safely. There are several different component parts of a power grid, from stations to high voltage lines and the utility poles we've discussed today. There are different inspection techniques for each, and one thing they all have in common is the results. You will have inspections that are faster, safer, provide the best documentation, and provide the most efficiency.